I will listen. But that's for me not to touch it. Or maybe not. No touching the fridge. There's so much snacks in there. Oh. Let's get a let's get a macaroon. Fridge, here it comes. Yeah, and I was like all messed up. Like, yeah. What are you doing on the fridge? I told you to get off of it. Sorry, Mom. Sorry, Mom. Sorry, Mom. Sorry, Mom. That's it. We're going to a hotel, and I think you shouldn't go. Please, I'm sorry. You disobeyed me. I didn't disobey you. You disobeyed your face. What'd you just say? Nothing, Mom. Like every other kid would say, nothing. Well, whatever. You're going to go to the thing, and you're going to like it. So pack up and get ready. Did you just move the fridge? You don't have super strength. I'm telling your brother. Mom, don't tell me. You got super strength? Sis, I have a super strength of sister. Nuh-uh. I can't even do that. Lift up this sink. Are you sure about this? Yeah. Your turn. I can't do it. Oh, won't you just won't you just come on? There we go. Oh. What'd you do that for? You're going to clean the kitchen since you have super strength. You can't just do that. I was going to go in my room. Don't yell at the people talking. Oh, I will. Quit looking at me, dang. Always messing up my shoots. Quit looking at me, dang. Ah! Don't touch the fridge, okay? You get to touch the fridge. Unfair. Go, broken foot. I'm not broken footy. Ah! Brothers. 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 What should I do? Read a book. Do something. Yeah, it's time for dinner. Yep. 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 I know, she's always complaining. Wait a second, how did those dishes just fly over there? Awkward. What is up with her? Haters gonna hate. Come in. Quit screaming. I heard you. I didn't scream. Well, I heard you. So, stop. Want to play some dolls? Fine. I'll go get some dolls.